If you're on the hunt for the best steering wheel for American Truck Simulator 2024, you're in the right place. After trying out countless options, we've narrowed it down to the top 5 steering wheels that truly enhance your virtual trucking experience. Whether you're looking for the most realistic feel, the best build quality, or the smoothest controls, we've got you covered. So if you're eager to find out which steering wheel will take your simulation to the next level, stick around until the end. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so make sure to watch the whole video to catch all the details. And don't forget, all the purchase links are in the description. Let's begin. Now, let's check out the Thrustmaster Sim Steering Kit, which has really impressed me during my testing. If you're using a regular setup and feeling like something's missing in terms of realism, this might be exactly what you need. What's cool about it is that it's built specifically for the Thrustmaster T128 and T248 wheels, so you know you're getting that perfect fit. One thing that really caught my attention is the desk mounting system. You can mount your wheel flat on your desk, which makes a huge difference when you're driving trucks in American Truck Simulator. I love how you can adjust it in 3 different positions. You can play around with the height and angle until it feels just right. And trust me, being able to do this without grabbing any tools is such a time saver, especially if you like switching between different games. Something that's worth mentioning is the rotary spinner knob. I wasn't sure about it at first, but after using it for a while, it's actually pretty handy. You can control your truck with just one hand when needed, which comes in really useful during those long hauls. I do need to point out a few issues, though. I've seen quite a few comments about missing parts in some packages, which is definitely annoying. Also, if you're not using one of the compatible Thrustmaster wheels, you're out of luck here. And if you're on the taller side, you might find the adjustment range a bit limiting. I'm 6 feet 2 inches and had to make some compromises with the positioning. Even with these downsides, I've been pretty happy with the build quality, and it definitely adds that extra bit of realism I was looking for. For the price, you're getting a solid piece of kit that can really upgrade your simulation setup. I'll leave a link with the current price in the description below so you can check it out yourself. Next up is the Logitech Racing Wheel with Shifter, which I've thoroughly tested in American Truck Simulator 2024. This wheel significantly enhances the gaming experience. The standout feature, for me, is the dual motor force feedback, which lets you genuinely feel the road beneath your virtual tires. Every bump and change in road texture is conveyed in a way that heightens immersion. The wheel itself feels robust and well-made. Logitech has opted for helical gears in the transmission, eliminating the irritating rattling noise common in less expensive wheels. The shifter deserves a mention too. It's a genuine 6-speed H pattern that feels incredibly satisfying. When you're downshifting before tackling a steep hill with a full load, it just feels right. The build quality is particularly impressive. The wheel is wrapped in hand-stitched leather, showing that no corners were cut in its construction. The pedals are cleverly designed as well. You can adjust the pedal faces to suit your driving style, which is a huge plus during those extended hauls. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to consider. The GUB software can be a bit finicky at times. I've experienced some issues during gameplay, which is less than ideal when you're in the middle of a delivery. Additionally, the universal serial bus cable could be longer, so you might need to rearrange your setup to accommodate it. And yes, it's on the pricier side, but after testing several wheels, I understand why it carries a higher price tag. For American Truck Simulator, this wheel strikes a perfect balance between quality and functionality. It's definitely more costly than entry-level models, but the improvement in feel and control is substantial. If you're planning to spend a lot of time in the virtual trucking world, it's worth considering. Check the description for a link to the current price and more details. The PXN Racing Wheel with a 270 degrees rotation is a great choice for fans of truck simulators like American Truck Simulator 2024. Its standout feature is its compatibility with multiple platforms, including PlayStation 4, Xbox Series X/S, and personal computer. This versatility is perfect for gamers who switch between systems and prefer not to invest in separate wheels for each. One of the most impressive aspects is the adjustable rotation settings. You can toggle between 270 and 900 degrees, depending on your game. The 900-degree option is particularly beneficial for truck simulators, as it enhances the realism of maneuvering a large vehicle on the highway. The dual vibration. Motors significantly enhance the gaming experience by providing tactile feedback for every bump and turn. However, fine-tuning the sensitivity settings can be a bit tricky, so you might need to experiment to find what works best for you. The 11-inch wheel design is another highlight. It's comfortable to grip, and the semi-perforated leather ensures your hand stays secure during extended play sessions. On the downside, the pedals feel somewhat flimsy and plastic, which might be a letdown if you're accustomed to more premium equipment. The setup process is straightforward, but the manual could be more detailed. You might find yourself searching online for additional guidance. Once everything is set up though, the wheel performs admirably. In terms of pricing, it strikes a balance between features and affordability. It's a solid option for those seeking quality without breaking the bank on a high-end model. For more details on the current price and specifications, check out the description below. Let's dive into the SciTech Farming Simulator Wheel Bundle by Mad Cats. After spending a considerable amount of time with this wheel, I've gathered some insights worth sharing. The wheel offers a full 900 degrees of rotation, which feels just right when you're maneuvering farm machinery in the game. A feature I found particularly useful is the detachable turn knob, which makes it easy to execute quick, one-handed turns while managing other controls. The control setup is quite comprehensive, boasting over 25 programmable buttons, allowing you to customize your experience to your liking. The integrated gamepad controls and dual analog sticks proved handy, not only for farming but also when I tested it with other simulation games like logging simulators. However, I must be upfront about the build quality. It's not the best. The materials feel somewhat cheap, and there are numerous reports from users about the pedals breaking. During my testing, I also encountered some dead zones in the wheel's responsiveness, which can be quite annoying when trying to make precise movements. On the brighter side, the wheel does enhance the immersive experience. The cruise control feature functions well, although I wish it had a more tactile feel. In terms of comfort, I had no issues during extended gaming sessions. The low-profile design is effective, and the clamps keep the wheel securely in place on your desk. In summary, the SciTech Farming Simulator Wheel Bundle is a bit of a mixed experience. The gameplay is engaging, and the customization options are impressive, but the concerns about build quality are something to consider. If you're willing to handle it with a bit more care, it could be a good fit for you. I've included a link to the current prices in the description below if you're interested in checking it out. Let's take a closer look at the NBCP Racing Wheel, 1080 degrees. If you've played American Truck Simulator, you understand the significance of precise wheel control, and this model offers a full 1080 degrees of rotation. That's 3 full turns, which is incredibly useful when you're maneuvering through tight loading areas or navigating winding mountain routes. You can also tweak the rotation range, which is handy if you alternate between truck simulators and standard racing games. What really stands out is its broad compatibility. This wheel works seamlessly with personal computer, Xbox, PlayStation, Nintendo Switch, and even Android devices. Having tested numerous wheels, this level of versatility is a definite advantage for gamers who play across multiple platforms. The shifter setup is impressive too, featuring a 6-speed H pattern with a push-down reverse, akin to a real truck. The package includes pedals and a clutch, enhancing the authentic trucking experience you're likely seeking. However, there are a few drawbacks to mention. After extensive use, I noticed that the shifter and clutch don't feel as sturdy as they could be. If you're transitioning from a higher-end wheel, like a Logitech, you'll likely notice the difference in build quality. It's not a deal-breaker, but it's something to be aware of. The wheel does come with some appealing extras, such as light-emitting diode lights and dual motor feedback, which genuinely enhance the driving experience. The mounting system is quite adaptable too. You can attach it to a desk or use it on your lap if needed. In conclusion, the NBCP Racing Wheel, 1080 degrees, offers good value for its price. While it's not flawless, it's a solid option for those diving into truck simulators without wanting to spend excessively. I've included a link in the description where you can find the current price and additional details.